Here, we have two pairs of homologous chromosomes on our screen. By now, we know what homologous chromosomes are. Each pair of chromosomes has the same color. But in reality, chromosomes do not come in colors. So how do we know whether they are homologous or not? They are homologous if they have the same set of genes. What exactly are same set of genes? Are we trying to say that they have the exact same gene? No, it's not. Let's take an example to understand this. Let's say in this chromosome pair, we have these regions where the genes of our interest are present. Now, among all, let's take one pair of gene, this one. Here, both B and B define one character, which is the eye color. So here, B and B are the same set of genes, but they are not the same genes. They are different. One is written in uppercase and the other one in lowercase. That means they both imply something different. Let's now try to find out what these letters symbolize. But before we continue, can we say that this pair is a pair of homologous chromosomes? Absolutely. Since both the chromosomes have genes for the same character on the same locus, they can be called homologous chromosomes. Now, can you tell me, why have we written the letter B in uppercase here and in lowercase here? That's because these two are different alleles. The uppercase and the lowercase representations symbolize that they both are different alleles. But do we know what exactly alleles are? Are they any different from genes by any chance? Alleles are basically two or more alternative forms of genes which are located at the same place on the chromosome. Let's simplify this to understand it better. Let's say we have a bag of candies. It contains all the candies of the same brand but different flavors. Now, being the same brand and the same type, they are all similar to each other. But what differentiates them is the flavor that each one has. Similarly, if we take genes into consideration, then genes for a particular trait will be like the bag of candies. So genes for one character, like the eye color, will be in this bag. And the different colors of candies are like the alleles. Each has a different identity and each gives us a different taste. Similarly, alleles are the forms of genes that give us the different traits. So, we can have alleles for black eye color, for brown eye color, or for blue eye color, and so on. Now, getting back to these chromosomes, here we select the trait eye color. But the genes for eye color are not the same on each chromosome. The uppercase B represents the gene for black eye color, while the lowercase b represents the trait of brown eye color. That means the character here is eye color, and the two traits are black and brown colored eyes. So, these two traits are given by two genes, which is the gene for black eye color and the gene for brown eye color. These individual genes are nothing but alleles. In other words, alleles are the variations of genes which help us gain a particular phenotype. Now, this is one more new term that we've come across. What is phenotype? Find the answer in the next video.